Hi, Vladimir Ribakov here. Welcome and thank you for joining me here. I've been trading for well over a decade and I'm here to show you today how you can earn a great living trading Forex. I plan to guide some traders through the next few months on how to earn in excess of $100,000 a year with the freedom to trade from anywhere, virtually, anytime. More on that in the videos to come. First though, I thought I would share with you, no catch whatsoever, a truly unique and profitable trading system I use that I've called a Forex Market Control. On the page below, you will be able to download the report and an installation file so that you can get started trading with it right away. Please check it out and leave a comment below on this page. I check them all, and just by leaving a comment, you get a chance to win some fantastic prizes. Be sure to watch out for any messages from me on the next few days where I will reveal even more. Now, let me show you how to install the Forex Market Code. It's really easy, and I also demonstrate to you some examples on how to trade it. Don't forget to leave your comment below.
Hi, okay, so now I want to show you how to install the Forex Market Control and how to actually use that. So you download the installation file, double click on it, and it will open to you the installation window. Like here, you click yes, and you just follow the steps. So you click next, accept the agreement, next. You choose the MetaTraders where you want to install it to. Yes, next, next. Let it do the job for you, and here you click next and run this MetaTrader application after the install. You choose which of the ones you installed to you want to work it with, and all you need to click is finish. Once you click finish, it will open the platform for you. So after clicking the finish, it opens the platform for us that we asked for. The only thing we need to do right now is to go to the templates and to choose my Forex Market Control. And here you go, ready to use the Forex Market Control. Now, in the manual, the PDF version you downloaded, you will read all the rules. There are three situations we can face. No setup, buy setup, or sell setup. No setup means, you probably guess it right, no trading. The system could not find a match between the time frames, so we are not looking to trade. Buy setup will bring us to buys. Sell setup will bring us to look for sells. So now let me show you the examples how we actually do the trade. Like in this example, this is a buy wave, which means we are looking to buy. That means that all the higher time frames here matching and line up, so I can be looking to buy on any time frame I want to trade with, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, even intraday, but that all has to be in a buy wave. Once it is, I'm looking for buys. There are two options we are going to enter the buys. Option number one is basically the very simple one. This option tells us that once all the lines are set up, so here we are good to go with the buys. We are looking on the current time frame we want to trade, and once they all, like here, are lined up and all of them are blue again, that means we are looking for buys. So what we need to do is to combine the latest trend line available. Here we cannot really connect the trend line, so we are looking for the next trend line to be available for us, like here, and we connect the highs, the most recent highs. We can connect the highest prices, of course, to make it a trend line, which means we are looking to go for buys, yes? So we need a dropping trend line, which means we are looking to connect lower highs, right? All the latest highs we can connect in order to make this trend line, like in this case. And then very simple, with the breakout of the trend line, we enter the trade and entering the direction. We trade that direction. And we protect below the last low. If the last low not available, we protect below the tunnel. Now, the target would be set right here, and we are looking to ride the trend. As it is developing, of course, you can also trail your target forward and forward and forward and enjoy the full ride. The alternative entry when no trend line is available, like in this example I showed before, is that beautiful right here, which I call the psychological levels. This indicator marks for you the very psychological round numbers, full round figure numbers and middle numbers. So once there is no trend line, like in this example, we can see everything is lined up here. All the moving averages are with me. All this beautiful net is going up, and I'm looking how to join that, right? So in that case, there is no trend line because I cannot connect this because this is not a real high as it's moving and still moving up. That's not moves I can connect, right? So in that case, when I don't have a clear trend line or I'm not sure about my trend line, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the price to close above, go from below and close above a round number. So here we closed above the middle number, and here after this breakout, right in that place, we closed above the huge number here, the psychological number. That's a breakout of a psychological number, which brings a lot of force to that move. So what we do, we enter the trade right at the end of the candle, and we are aiming to take profit 1-to-1 risk reward. Our protection is always below the last low available. And if there is no last low available, what we do is we just protect below the net itself. Okay? So that's for the buys. Now let's go and look how the sells look like. So here we are. And the idea is the same. We need to get a sell wave, which means the higher time frame set for us to be for sell direction. And then on a time frame we trade, which could be any time frame, intraday, mid-term, long-term, it doesn't matter as long as all this set, we are looking to enter the trades. So once on the time frame we trade all the moving averages set down in this beautiful net, what we do in that case is we enter with the breakout of the latest trend line. Now we want to go for sell, so we need a rising trend line, which means we are connecting lows, the latest lows available. And with the breakout of these lows, we enter the sell trade. Like in that case, that's the move. I connect the last lows, and with the breakout, I enter the trade with protection above the last high. And if there is no last high available, in that case there is, but if there is no last high available, then we protect above the net. And I take profit to be 1-to-1 risk reward. And you can, of course, trail that as the trend developing. Now, that's first example for a trend line that we will be looking to trade. That would be another trend line that we would be entering. And that would be an alternative entry, which is break of the psychological level. Now, how it's done? If there is no trend line available, let's assume like in this example right here. Okay, price going up, but not up enough to create for us a trend. So I cannot really connect these lows to be trend line because this high is below this high. So there is no real trend for me. So what I do in that case is I'm trading the psychological numbers. So I'm waiting for the price to go above psychological number and boom, close below again. Once it does that and close below, this is exactly where I enter my trade. So it broke and closed below the psychological number right here. Very simple. My protection right here, and I take profit 1-to-1. So I protect above the last high or above the tunnel if no high is available. Okay, so here again, up and boom, close below. Entry here, protection here, take profit here. Okay, now here again we go up, and now the moving average is not lined up, and they are lined up here again. See how simple it is. Not lined up again. So we need trend line. No trend line available, so we need a breakout of the psychological number, which is here. We just entered and closed below this is the breakout, closed below the trend line, and we protect above the last high. And our take profit, 1-to-1 risk reward. Very, very, very simple, very easy to follow and to use, well, if you use that right, of course, and very profitable. Why? Because we join monster trend lines based on the higher time frames. We are connecting trend lines to be broken, and that's a very powerful tool for us. And if there is no trend line in use, in play, what we do, we work out with psychological numbers, which are used by the biggest guys in the industry. They play around the psychological numbers a lot. Why? Because so much money, so many trades are going around these psychological numbers, and that's why they are so critical to be used right. So that's the Forex market control. Very easy, simple strategy, which I am sure you will enjoy big time. Just make sure to leave your comment below and earn yourself a great chance to win wonderful prizes. Thank you very much for watching.